Is Nick Cannon's whiteface causing some pretty serious backlash? Or do people just really not like him? Because when the actor slash comedian slash TV host stopped by at a New York Knicks basketball game to tape a segment of America's Got Talent, he was essentially booed out of the building. The moment Nick stepped out on the floor and started taping his bit and pretending to hit a shot backwards, the crowd let loose a chorus of boos that we haven't heard in quite a long time. One report even has the booing lasting as long as 3 minutes. It was quite a segment, and Nick even asked the crowd to get it out of their system. But once tape started rolling, it got louder and louder. No word if this is whiteface backlash or basketball fans just wanting to watch their sport uninterrupted by Mariah Carey's husband. We'll see if the clip ultimately makes it to the show. The sound guys are going to have a lot of work ahead of them if it does.